In a previous video, I showed how I made a custom Victorinox Compact, a two-layer tool that is similar in form to the current Victorinox Compact. The highlight of this knife for me is the inline Phillips and the long inline technician screwdriver. It is highly ergonomic and I often use it with both tools in the open position when I need to switch between the Phillips and the flat screwdriver. Of all the two-layer knives that I have, including the original Victorinox Scientist, this custom Victorinox is my favorite as it has both the inline Phillips and the inline technician screwdriver. However, at the back of my mind, I often wondered what it would be like to have just the inline Phillips and inline screwdriver. So I went ahead to build a prototype of a one-layer inline Phillips with an inline screwdriver. As both tools are fairly lengthy, they overlap one another in the closed position. This means a major drawback: to access the lower stack tool, the higher stack tool has to be opened first. I was willing to have this trade-off, but after building it, I found the protrusion of the overlapping stack to be just way too high and unacceptable. Although this project was not successful, I did learn how to modify a tool to match a backspring. I then made another custom SAK with a single-layer Phillips and screwdriver, but I have to compromise at not having the Phillips inline. With this configuration, I managed to have a single-layer inline screwdriver with the standard blade. I had to settle with the T-Phillips. Regardless, I still have what I thought are the two basic engineering tools in an ultra-compact format. As I am using the plus scales, I still have the needle pin. A green toothpick to match the scale. The ballpoint pen. And a pair of green tweezers. Let's now check what are the weight differences. The two-layer compact engineer weighs 58 grams. The one-layer ultra compact weighs 45 grams. The Victorinox Yeoman weighs 80 grams, almost double the Ultra Compact. Let's now take a look at the thickness. The Compact Engineer is 15.1 mm thick. The one-layer Ultra Compact is 11.8 mm thick. The Victorinox Yeoman is 18.3 mm thick. Here's a look at their side profiles. And looking at their end profiles. A look from above. Although this Ultra Compact is slim and lightweight, my favorite is still the two-layer Victorinox Engineer. On occasions that I wear pants, the Ultra Compact will be a nice fit. It is unfortunate that I was not able to create a single-layer inline Phillips with an inline screwdriver. Nevertheless, it's nice to have the two basic engineering tools with you always. Thanks for watching.